Oh my goodness. Look at how big this box is. I can't even fit it in the screen. I'm so excited. I can't wait to open this and share with you. Are you ready? Let's go to the table and see what it is. Woo! She's so big. Okay, I'm gonna flip you around. Ooh, are we ready? Okay, it says, please handle with care, glass. I wonder what it could be. I haven't even opened it yet because I wanted to do it with you on camera. So here we go. We're gonna unbox together. And unboxing's fun. I love unboxing things. Ooh, woo! I see pink already. There's some really cool magnets. Are we guessing what it is? Look at how shiny that is. Amazing. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't even have enough room on my desk. Are we ready? Let's do it. Ah! It is a Glassboard Studio glass, and it is pink with glitter. I feel like this was made specifically for me. And if you didn't know, I won it. Can you believe this? I won this from Glassboard Studio. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I absolutely love this. Hold on, let's get it unboxed. Guess I don't need this Glassboard anymore. Time for a new one. I'm going to show you the back first because I don't think anyone ever does. This is why it's magnetic. Look at this beautiful piece of shiny metal on the back here. It's got little rubber feet on all four sides, so it's going to stay in place. Amazing. Very, very excellent craftsmanship here. And here is the front. Oh, I swear it was made for me. Can you even believe it? It's so beautiful. It says, thank you for your purchase. Please note, only super strong neodymium rare earth magnets will work on this metal-backed Glassboard. Scan the QR code below to view our neodymium, hopefully I'm saying that right, magnets, and use promo code to save 10%. This is amazing. And it does give you some tips that some jewelry can scratch the glass. Hard objects like glass containers can damage the glass. Try not to press too hard when cutting. It may be better to cut particularly thick materials on a different surface. Please remember your Glassboard is scratch resistant, not scratch proof. Very, very good tips here. We hope you love your new Glassboard. I do. Isn't this so beautiful and amazing? Oh, it's going to be hard to use it because it's so gorgeous, but I'll find a way. So I'm going to peel this off and just look at that. Oh, and it comes with these beautiful, amazing coordinating magnet bars. So some smaller ones like, oh, wow. Did you see how powerful that was? Oh my gosh, they really are going to hold things in place. And then these bars, longer bars that are like, what are these, 3 inches? Let's see. Yeah, 3 inches wide. Both of them. One has a handle, one doesn't. Same thing for these. These are 1 inch wide. I'm telling you what, they're super strong magnets. So, and I love that it has the grid. It has these lines here for these markings for like mats and layers for maybe for card making or whatever you're doing. Oh, it's pink and it's glittery. It's so good. Thank you, Glassboard Studio. This is the best gift ever. What a great Christmas gift for me. I love you guys so much. Make sure to watch future videos and you will see this being put to use. Have a good day. Bye.